nicely play with each other. Then the result, you will have a very beautiful feeling. The feeling comes, it will merge to your all kind of sense. It will merge. Then every sense will be happy. Then you will not see the flower for sucking. You will see the flower for giving. You will not see the somebody else for sucking. You will see the somebody for giving, because you have more than enough. And this is not miracle, and this is not for special somebody else. This possibility, all of us, we have it in this moment. In this moment. Only the people need to change the attitude. Break this habit. And deep breathe. When you are walking, during the walking, deep breathe. Everything you are doing. People have, where people have deep breathe, when they are in sex. Very deep breathing. Because there is need to more energy. You have not energy for that. So automatically by nature it comes, you are getting deep breathing there. Knowingly or unknowingly. You watch it. It goes very deep. Like you are asleep there. There also, very deep. When you are in sexual instrument, then it goes very deep. Remember it. Because deep breathing, why deep breathing happens there? You have need there. More energy for enjoyment. That's why it goes like this actually. If you have a breathing like this in normal and not doing anything, then you will not happy. When you are there, you are very deep, automatic, by nature. It is the culture. There you are like a child. You are in very deep breathing. It goes up to here. You watch it. Even the thought of sexuality comes, automatically your breathing going here. Automatically. You watch this thing, what I am saying actually. This is natural phenomena. And when you are living in this kind of attitude, then you will be, because you are not adjusting, and that position you are adjusting same time. That's why that breathing is very useful for you. Tantra, they have some certain type of technique. You live there actually without adjusting. Then you will be more happy like this. So this, I am not allow anybody else. Here, you can get deep breathing and live here. So you are not using, you are not adjusting anywhere, then you will have more than enough. This is the very good technique, very good. Everybody knows, I think. Everybody knows. Sometimes you did also. But mind create barrier there also in starting. Because when you will have a deep breathing, then mind will commit suicide. Whole mind process mechanism disturbed. Everything going disturbed then. The mechanism of the mind breaking. So there mind create lot of drama. It can create anxiety. It can create fear. It can create uneasiness. Many things. But your willpower very strong. It's okay. I don't listen to you. I am going with my own, with willpower. There will be willpower. I listen since long time you, but now no. Now I am going with my own. Or you live continue. 7 days. I am saying 7 days. I will come back, then I will ask who was 7 days. Maybe you will change. Everybody change within 7 days. You surprise. Much change will happen. Like this. So any more things?
But about somewhere I have also read in Osho literature, probably in Tao taking of, that when you breathe, so your lungs should not go up and down. Breathe, whole air should go in your air, or sorry in your stomach. up to your navel, मतलब नाभि तक जाना चाहिए और पूरी सांस बाहर आनी चाहिए. और जैसे आप ऐसे पढ़ेंगे स्वास्थ्य के नियम, तो उसमें क्या है कि सांस आनी चाहिए फेफड़े में, क्योंकि जो ऑक्सीजन एब्जॉर्ब करती है बॉडी वो फेफड़े से करती है.
ये गलत आइडिया है. सांस हमेशा फेफड़े में ही जाती, नाभि में जाती ही नहीं है. किसी डॉक्टर से पूछना. ये आपका गलत आइडिया है. सांस पेट में चली जाए तो मर जाओगे. सांस पेट में नहीं जाती.
तो जो नाभि खींचते हो फिर
नाभि, सांस जब जोर से लेते हो तो नाभि में सेंसेशन बढ़ता है, सांस नहीं जाती. सांस की चोट नाभि में नहीं लगती है. तुम सोचते हो नाभि से सांस लेते हो. किसी अच्छी डॉक्टर से मिलना, वहाँ से होगा आपकी बात. सांस का सिस्टम फेफड़ों से है और फेफड़ों में ही वाइटल एनर्जी ज़्यादा चाहिए. फेफड़ों में ही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा समाई है. जब तुम जोर से सांस लेते हो, डीप ब्रीदिंग लेते हो, फेफड़ों में ही लेते हो, नाभि में नहीं लेते, तो नाभि अपने आप ऊपर नीचे होती है, क्योंकि उससे पूरा सिस्टम जुड़ा हुआ. तो आपने कहीं गलत पढ़ लिया है. वो तो फेफड़ों में नहीं जाएगी तो फेफड़े सूख जाएंगे. He is asking wrong question actually. Very wrong question it was. So I told him. He said, if I am getting breathing with navel center, then I will feel my whole lungs will be dry. He said. Then I said, you are always getting breathing to lungs only, not to navel. But you will forcefully taking breathing with lungs, then automatically this center will be up and down. The breathing cannot reach to stomach. It is not medical approved actually. If you ask to someone, then he will say you are stupid. Because if breathing can leakage from the lungs, you will die. It has a totally connection with lungs. The whole system. When you breathe, it will go to lungs. And I am saying the development of the vital energy, your lung, not navel. But when you will have a deep breathing with lungs, automatically navel center will be up and down. Like this.
And that is what called belly breathing. The same thing is called belly breathing. Belly breathing. belly.
नहीं, वो लंग्स में ही आई, नाभि में नहीं आई. Because if breathing can go to navel, then go to down. Then you will die actually. If you avoid the lungs and breathing system is working here, then like a water. There are two systems. We have two systems. Very science, very scientific this whole system. When you are drinking or eating, the breathing system off. They are covered. There is one certain type of cover. When you are breathing, then this system covered. What is phenomena? Why existence? What a miracle here, this science. both cannot open. You surprise, you can ask to doctor. Both system at a time cannot work. If by mistake something can go to breathing pipe, then you will die. Even water can go to breathing pipe. Then you finish. And breathing can go to water pipe. Then also difficulty. What a great system here. When you are breathing, here somebody covered automatically. It goes like this. And when you are breathing, then other part close. Then you are eating, then other part close. What a great system by nature. Nature is great. So don't think this stupid idea.
Baba, when you breathe so much energy, vital energy, lots, full, 100%, no need for food,
Only
no need for
no
food.
need to food.
Oh.
Many people did this.
Oh.
They lives only with oxygen. And few people did like this type of technique. They can go to earth for 7 days. 7 days you cover. Here in India, many people did like this technique actually. But they did for sowing. Then after the cab they come out, then lot of money comes. Then people are worshipping them. This is it's called false samadhi. But it happened. This is 100%. You will get a deep breathing, automatically you will have a less food, very less food. One day you will have, like a Mahavira did this technique, and he was living once a month. He was eating once a month, very less food, and he was looking very nice. No problem. Many people are here. In India, I heard our Osho Sannyasi somewhere. He got this technique. Where he is? I heard somewhere he is. He is Osho Sannyasi. But by chance he got this technique. So he is not eating. But of course drinking. Drinking is needed. Eating not needed. Because all kind of eat you are eating, it is coming by sun energy. But you are eating byproduct. Like a wheat, like a coffee, like everything. Everything coming from sun energy. All kind of fruit coming by sun energy. So our system is not ready to take direct. So we are getting from this way. But many sadhu has this type. One time my idea also, in my mind idea also, I will do like this. And 7 days I was there actually. But it was not good idea for me. Then nicely I was eating very and enjoying. Otherwise I cannot be with you. If you want to connection with people, then you have to get something from this world. It is needed. Then you can enjoy with people. Otherwise, deep down, you are only the one. Then this technique is. Many sadhu in Himalayas, they did many kind of technique for surviving life. They have it. So, we don't go there. But you are deep breathing. In deep breathing, you will have a less sleep, less food. Or it is not harmful. You are around 50? No, 40? 51.
63, Baba.
51.
63.
Oh, this is good amount for this technique. This is very good amount for this technique. I allow these people after 50. Before 50, people have many nonsense things. They have to do nonsense things. That's why I said it's okay, you can eat what you want. But after 50, people can go 50-50. 50% you live on the food and 50% you live with your own breathing. You start within 7 days, your food will be half here. And you will not be. You will not be. You will be, because the vital energy from the food in 1 kg is tiny, like this, vital energy. All garbage. All garbage. Lot of toilet tank full. This garbage. Mostly garbage, very less amount vital energy comes. If you are getting breathing, then there is no garbage. There is only vital energy. You surprised. So I allow people half-half. Half you enjoy here, half you enjoy here, like this. It will be much better. Otherwise, I don't want to Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is not our type actually. I don't want. You do like it. Slowly, slowly you start your breathing lovingly, and you will have a deep breathing, less thought, less food, less sleep. When you will search where is the sleep, now you are feeling, you are searching where is without sleep, always sleepy. And totally opposite it will happen. When you will have a lot of vital energy, you surprise you will not find sleep. Sleep will come very less when you are on the bed 2 hours, 2.5 hours, enough
For 1 day.
for 1 day. 2 are enough. 12 to 2, enough. Then you can enjoy. Or you will be happy and less garbage. Remember it. And less money paying. Because for vital energy, nothing to pay. For garbage, okay. So friends, Baba is leaving tomorrow for 7 days. So without Baba, Baba is here. So enjoy nicely. And if you go according to this technique, then hopefully I will see your face. Okay.